Most people throw away a dull kitchen knife without thinking twice. But what if you could bring it back to life using just a few simple household items? Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Today, I'll show you a strange but effective kitchen hack that helps clean, sharpen, and restore a dull knife in just minutes. Let's dive in. Preparation. First, take some toothpaste and apply it evenly on both sides of the knife blade. Let it sit for a couple of minutes. This helps loosen surface dullness and prepares the blade for the sharpening process. Sharpening process. Now take a plate and flip it upside down. Add a little salt and a small amount of vinegar on the bottom surface. This creates a rough texture that helps with friction while sharpening. Now gently run the knife on the surface at a steady angle. Always move in one direction for better results. Don't go back and forth. Cleaning and finish. Now sprinkle a little baking soda on the blade and add a few drops of vinegar again. This helps lift rust and stains from the surface. After that, wipe everything clean using a sponge or cloth. Finally, test the knife. Cutting should feel much smoother and sharper than before. And that's how a simple kitchen hack can bring a dull knife back to life. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe to Kitchen Faucet. See you in the next one.